Good morning guys, and welcome back to my African garden. I am here again in my garden to do some work, and it's been a little while. I'm sorry for being away, it's been very busy, but I promise I'm going to try my best to post more content. So I am here to plant water leaf. I planted cocoyams and jama in the area where I usually plant my water leaf, and it didn't do well. So I'm not going to regret. I've told you guys, if you plant something and it is not working out, just take it out and try something else. You don't need to regret, you don't need to cry, you don't need to just sit there watch it get messed up. You can try something else while we still have the good weather going, right? So here I'm going to be planting water leaf in the area where I planted in jama and the cocoyams or taro roots. And what I'm doing is taking out the water leaves that are already in that area. When you plant water leaf, the seeds never die, like you harvesting and throwing the seeds in the same spot, right? So they will not die, or they will hardly die, right? So now we have a lot of water leaf growing in that area. What I'm going to be doing today will be to uproot the water leaf and all the weed that is growing in that area, and then I will soften the soil and then replant the water leaf. Okay guys, without any waste of time, let me get into it and show you what I already started doing. So I just finished working on this bed. You see, I softened it. I took out the water leaf, took out the weed, and put the weed underneath my cocoyams, like here. It's going to serve as fertilizer, okay? And then here is the water leaf that I took out from that area, right here, okay? So if I don't take care of it, it's not going to do well. But if I take care of it, then I'll harvest a lot. That's what I'm doing. So it was exactly like this one here, okay? This is the bed that I've not yet worked on. Let me show you what it looks like. You see, this is the water leaf I'm telling you about. Okay, we have a lot of seedlings in there. If I leave it, I can still eat it, but it's going to take a while. Like this one, you see, it is ready to be harvested, but it took a longer time to grow this tall as compared to the ones that I planted. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I did here. I started doing it on this one, and I was like, oh, why are you not recording this to show your subscribers what they can do in case something is failing and they want to make a good use of their soil. It is very difficult to even find a little portion like this in America to plant. So I will not have, I'll not let any portion of my garden to waste when I can, transform it to plant something that I can eat, because it is receiving water, right? I have a sprinkling system that I'm going to be showing you guys in another video, because I'm not around this garden as much as I was 2 years ago. I had to come up with a sprinkling system that will help me to keep the garden going, because I can't drive here every day to water the garden and go back. No, that is too much. So since this portion of the garden is receiving water, it is important that I make good use of that water, right? So I'm going to do it, and in a couple of weeks I'm going to give you guys an update. So all the weed is gone, and we have a lot of water leaf on this bed. So I don't know if I should, if I should take it out or not. I think I should, for it to do better, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, let's start planting. 1 week after. This is what our water leaf looks like 1 week after. Alright guys, I had to wait patiently to show you the outcome before I post the video. And the other 2 beds that we had, right? So we are going to give it another 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. If it continues to rain the way it's been raining, then we are going to harvest it after 1 week. If not, we are going to give it up to 2 weeks. Okay guys, the good thing is since I planted the water leaf, it's been raining, okay, like every other day. So if you plant your water leaf and it is raining as it has been doing with mine, then you are super blessed. And of course I count myself super blessed, super blessed. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful to you. I hope I was able to inspire you with this video. If I did, or if this video was able to inspire you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond to the best of my ability. Alright guys, until next time, bye.